Let us discuss today one more important topic of electrochemistry chapter. Topic is variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration. What is the conductivity of a solution? What is the relation, mathematical relation to find out the conductivity? What is the molar conductivity? What is the mathematical relation to find out the molar conductivity? We have been discussed in our previous video. So today we are going to discuss about the variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration. एक ionic solution और electrolytic solution का conductivity and molar conductivity कैसे concentration का साथ वेरीज होता है, इसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करना है. क्योंकि conductivity and molar conductivity, mainly molar conductivity, is a concentration dependent factor. So basic point related to this topic is, through an ionic or electrolytic solution, current is conducting by the cations and anions through the solution. Through an ionic solution or electrolytic solution, electricity or current carries by the cations and anions. So electrical conductivity of an ionic solution depends on the number of cations and anions present in per unit volume of the solution. So how conductivity varies with concentration? Conductivity of a solution, conductivity of an ionic solution or electrolytic solution decreases with decrease in concentration of the solution. किसी भी एक आयोनिक और इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन का जब कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज होता है, किसी भी एक आयोनिक और इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन का कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज करने के लिए सॉल्यूशन का डाइल्यूशन बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, मतलब सॉल्यूशन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सॉल्वेंट ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो जब एक सॉल्यूशन में, आयोनिक और इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सॉल्वेंट ऐड किया जाता है, देन सॉल्यूशन का कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज होगा, देन सॉल्यूशन का कंडक्टिविटी डिक्रीजेस. सो कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ बोथ weak and strong electrolytes decreases with decrease in concentration and increase in dilution. So किसी भी ionic solution का conductivity solution decrease होता है जब solution का concentration decrease होता है. So why conductivity decreases with decrease in concentration of the solution or increase in dilution? Because with decrease in concentration or increase in dilution, so number of ions that carry current through the solution decreases. So when concentration decreases, then conductivity for both weak and strong electrolyte decreases. क्योंकि जब concentration decrease होता है और जब dilution increase होता है, per unit volume number of ions decrease हो जाता है, क्योंकि आयंस लुक ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैरी करता है थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन. जब नंबर ऑफ आयंस पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो जाता है, देन कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन डिक्रीजेस. सो व्हाट इज हाउ कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ एन आयनिक सॉल्यूशन वेरीज विद द कंसंट्रेशन? सो कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ एन आयनिक सॉल्यूशन डिक्रीजेस विथ डिक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन और इंक्रीज इन डाइल्यूशन. रिमेंबर इट. So how molar conductivity varies with concentration of a solution? So this is the relation for molar conductivity. Lambda m equal to kappa. Kappa is the conductivity, C is the concentration into 1000. So this is the relation to find out the molar conductivity, lambda m. So what is the relation between molar conductivity and concentration of the solution? C represents here concentration. So molar conductivity and concentration are inversely related. That means molar conductivity of an ionic or electrolytic solution increases when concentration of the solution decreases. So they are inversely related. So conductivity decreases with decrease in concentration, but molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration. So molar conductivity of both weak and strong electrolyte increases with decrease in concentration of the solution. दोनों इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए weak and strong, everybody know it, weak electrolytes are completely dissociated into ions in a solution. Weak electrolytes are 100% dissociated into ions in a solution, but strong electrolytes are 100% dissociated into ions in a solution, but weak electrolytes are not 100% dissociated into ions in the solution. In an weak electrolytic solution, undissociated particles are also present along with the dissociated ions. So both weak and strong electrolytes, for both strong and weak electrolytes, molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration. But for strong and weak electrolyte, molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration differently. Strong electrolyte के लिए मोलर कंडक्टिविटी, वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए मोलर कंडक्टिविटी, दोनों के लिए मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज होता है डिक्रीज इन कंसेंट्रेशन, विद डिक्रीज इन कंसेंट्रेशन, लेकिन इंक्रीजेस होता है डिफरेंटली. वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए मोलर कंडक्टिविटी sharply increases with decrease in concentration, but for strong electrolyte, molar conductivity slowly increases with decrease in concentration. So this is an equation which explain about the variation of molar conductivity with concentration of an ionic or electrolytic solution. Lambda m, we can also write C. So lambda, in this equation, lambda mc, it represents the molar conductivity of an ionic solution at any concentration C. Lambda mc, molar conductivity of the ionic solution at any concentration C. Lambda m naught, it is known as limiting molar conductivity. It is the molar conductivity of a solution when concentration of the solution tends to 0. When concentration of a solution, molar conductivity, when concentration of a solution decreases, molar conductivity of the solution increases. So solution को हम लोग diluted करके इतना ही diluted कर दिया, जब solution का concentration कितना हो गया 0, then molar conductivity of the solution कितना होगा, maximum होगा, which is known as limiting molar conductivity and denoted by the symbol of lambda m naught. So lambda m naught, it represents the molar conductivity of an ionic solution when concentration of the solution tends to 0. So lambda m naught, it is the limiting conductivity, or A, it is a constant. A is the constant. The A value is different for different electrolyte, or C represents here concentration. This is C to the power half. C represents here concentration of the ionic solution. So this is the equation which explained about the variation of molar conductivity with concentration of an electrolyte. So from this equation we can plot a graph. Lambda mc against C to the power half. We can plot a graph like this. This is the graph. Lambda mc limiting molar conductivity of the ionic solution at any concentration C against the concentration. This is the origin of the graph. So this is the graph for a strong electrolyte like potassium chloride. This is the graph for a strong electrolyte. This is the graph for weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte, let us consider acetic acid. Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. It is not 100% dissociated into ions in the aqueous solution. But potassium chloride is a strong electrolyte. It is 100% dissociated into ions in the aqueous solution. So according to this graph, in case of strong electrolyte, molar conductivity increases slowly with decrease in concentration. In case of strong electrolyte, graph almost parallel to the x-axis. That means in case of strong electrolyte, molar conductivity slowly increases with decrease in concentration. But in case of weak electrolyte, molar conductivity sharply increases with decrease in concentration. So for both weak and strong electrolytes, molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration. लेकिन दोनों के लिए differently increase होता है. Strong electrolyte के लिए molar conductivity slowly increases with decrease in concentration. But in case of weak electrolyte, molar conductivity sharply increases with decrease in concentration. In case of weak electrolyte, graph is parallel to the y-axis. ये weak electrolyte का ग्राफ कभी भी y-axis में इंटरसेप्ट नहीं होगा, लेकिन स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए ग्राफ y-axis का पर्टिकुलर एक पॉइंट में इंटरसेप्ट होगा. दिस पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक जितना वैल्यू होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लैम्डा एम नॉट, लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी वैल्यू होगा, this is the molar conductivity of the solution when concentration of the solution is 0. So 0 concentration में strong electrolyte का जितना molar conductivity होगा, that is called limiting molar conductivity, denoted by the symbol of lambda m naught. So lambda m naught here limiting molar conductivity. But in case of weak electrolyte, graph never intercept to y-axis. y-axis में कभी भी intercept नहीं होगा in case of weak electrolyte. सो वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए लैम्डा एम नॉट वैल्यू ये ग्राफ से हम लोग डिटरमाइन नहीं कर सकता है. सो वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए लैम्डा एम नॉट वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करने के लिए हम लोग अनदर थ्योरी डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा, और दैट थ्योरी, दैट लॉ इज नोन एज कोलरस लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट माइग्रेशन ऑफ आयन. अबाउट दिस लॉ वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So in case of strong electrolyte, molar conductivity slowly increases with decrease in concentration. But in case of weak electrolyte, molar conductivity sharply increases. So why for a different type of electrolyte, molar conductivity increases differently? So in case of strong electrolyte, molar conductivity slowly increases because with decrease in concentration, that means with increase in dilution, volume of the solution is increased. When volume increased, then inter-ionic forces of attraction between the ions decreases. Why inter-ionic forces of attraction decreases with increase in volume or increase in dilution? Because distance between the oppositely charged ion increases. So when distance between the oppositely charged ion increases with increase in volume of a solution or decrease in concentration of the solution or increase in dilution, then inter-ionic forces of attraction decreases. When inter-ionic forces of attraction decreases, then mobility or movement of the ion increases. और जब ions का mobility बढ़ेगा, movement बढ़ेगा, स्पीड बढ़ेगा, देन आयन्स लोग थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन ज़्यादा करंट कैरी कर पाएगा, क्योंकि थ्रू एन आयोनिक सॉल्यूशन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और करंट इज कंडक्टिंग बाय द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयन्स इंडिविजुअली. सो इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, व्हाई मोलर कंडक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेस विथ डिक्रीज इन कंसेंट्रेशन or increase in dilution? Because with decrease in concentration or increase in dilution, inter-ionic forces of attraction increases, so mobility of the ion increases, so electricity conducted by the ions through the solution increases. But in case of weak electrolyte, why molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration? Because weak electrolytes are not completely dissociated to ions at any concentration. जब एक वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन को डाइल्यूटेड किया जाता है, वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सॉल्वेंट ऐड करने से, देन वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का क्या हो जाता है, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, डिग्री ऑफ आयोनाइजेशन बढ़ेगा। और जब डिग्री ऑफ आयोनाइजेशन बढ़ेगा, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन बढ़ेगा, देन सॉल्यूशन में नंबर ऑफ आयन्स बढ़ेगा। और जब सॉल्यूशन में नंबर ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयन्स बढ़ेगा, ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ आयन्स जब सॉल्यूशन में होगा, ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैरी करेगा थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन। ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ आयन्स ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैरी करेगा थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन। सो इन केस ऑफ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, why molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration? Because degree of dissociation of the weak electrolyte increases with decrease in concentration. But in case of strong electrolyte, why molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration? Because in case of strong electrolyte, with decrease in concentration or increase in dilution or increase in volume, inter-ionic forces of attraction decreases, so mobility of the ions increases, then electricity carried by the ions through the solution increases. So this is about the variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration of an ionic solution. So note of this topic we will provide in PDF format. Then thank you.